Hi everyone, welcome and thank you for joining. In this video, we will review the installation and initial setup flow of the Inciter shipping and promo bars app by Mageworx. Okay, let's get started. To download the app, we need to click Add App button on the app listing. Let's do that. Okay, here we are. We were redirected to the authentication handshake page, and here, first of all, you need to review the permissions the app requests to be able to function at your store. You can decline permissions and cancel this request. If you are agreed to share access, you can click Install App button. Okay, we were redirected to the app's admin page, and to start with, we need to click Create Bar, green button at the top right. So let's create our first bar. You can name a bar in any way. It's up to you to decide on the name. It won't show up anywhere on the front end, and this title is required for internal usage only. Okay, let's leave it as it is and proceed. You can create three types of bar. Free shipping, gift, custom message. These are a kind of rewards that you offer if a client reach some goal you set. So the first reward is free shipping. So if a customer reaches a goal, he will get a free shipping to this particular order. If you want to enable that option, you will need to make additional adjustments in the Shopify shippings admin, and the step-by-step guide can be found here. You need to click that button and find the detailed instruction in this pop-up. Okay, the second reward is gift. So you can offer a free product if your clients reach the required amount and achieve the goal. If you select that option, you need to select a product you promote. You can select any of your products from your list, select a product and click Add button. Okay, here you will see the product you offer as a gift. And if you have some custom offer to your clients that is not free shipping or gift, you can select custom message and describe what exactly you offer as a reward for the goal. Okay, let's move on and review the message setup. The first message is initial message. It will show up as soon as a customer visits your store, but before any products are added to the cart. So the cart total is 0. This will be initial message. You can modify it here, you can translate it and insert any text you need here. Then we need to compose the message that will show up after at least one product is added to the cart. Here you should add a goal you set. So your goal is $100 to offer a free shipping, for example. You need to insert here $100, and here you can modify the text that will motivate customers to achieve the goal, and the app will recalculate the amount automatically. For example, a customer added a product at $50 to the cart and your goal is $100, so the app will recalculate the difference and will show up you're only $50 away from free gift or free shipping. Okay, let's move on. And after a client reaches the goal, you can congratulate him by providing a custom message here. Also, if we selected a free gift type, here you can add a label to the promoted product that is added as for free. Okay, let's move on. The next section is styles. Here you can adjust the styles of the bar. You can decide on the position. It can be relative, so the bar will show up at the top of the page but will disappear as soon as you scroll the page down, or a fixed top or fixed bottom. In this case, the bar will always show up either at the top or at the bottom, even if you scroll the page up and down. Next, you can decide on the colors. You can modify the color of the bar itself, you can modify the color of the text message, decide on the font and its characteristics, so you can customize the bar in accordance with your requirements. Also, we offer additional settings. The sidebar, here you can decide on the display rules. For example, you can make the bar show up for visitors from specific locations based on their IP addresses. Here you should select this checkbox and select countries from the list. Okay, next you can decide when the bar should show up. For example, you can select a date range starting from let's say July 19 and till the end of the month. Okay, alternatively, you can select specific days of the week. For example, you would like the bar to show up only on Mondays and Saturdays. Okay, whatever. Okay, the next setting is page type. You can decide on the pages the bar should show up on. This can be home page, product pages, cart page, so you can select the pages. Next, device type. You can decide whether the bar should show up on desktop or on mobile or both, so here you can decide on the device type. Next, advanced settings. You can add a link to the bar so that the clients could click it and forward it to another page. Here you can insert the URL of the link. Also, you can highlight that link and make it a button. Here, if you select that checkbox, you will see here a button. You can add text that will show up inside the button, and the custom styles of that button can be modified here in this tab, in the styles section. Okay, let's move on. Also, you can decide on display delay, display timeout, and if these custom styles, default custom style the app offers, doesn't work for you, you can add your own CSS rules. Okay, after you created a bar, decide on all the settings, you need to save. Click save. Sorry, I didn't select a gift product. So save and activate. Before testing the app on the front end, please make sure you activated the app extension in the theme. So here you need to open themes and click customize button. Here navigate to the app embed section, find the Inciter promo bars app, enable the toggle and click save. Okay, now our bar is enabled, the app is activated, and you can go ahead and test the app on the front end. Thank you for your attention. Have a great day.